Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Time. Coding Time is creating a new series of videos of object-oriented concepts in Java, and this is the first video of this series. In this video we will talk about classes and objects, how you can create class or how you can create objects of this class. So without wasting a time, let's get started here. First of all, the question arises how you can create class in Java. To create a class in Java, you have to use class keyword, and after using the class keyword, you have to give the name of your class. I have given the name as demo, and as you can see here, the first letter in my class name is in uppercase. It could be in the lowercase, but in Java it's always a good practice to make the first letter of your class name in uppercase or in a capital letter. If you give the lowercase letter as the first letter of your class name, then program will run, but it's not a good practice. It will called a bad practice in Java. So that's how you can create class. And what you can create inside the class. Inside the class there can be only two things. The first is the members and the second are the methods. Members are nothing but a variable and methods are nothing but a function. And how you can create members? To create a member, first give the data type of that member and then give the name. As you always create variables, I have created a member whose data type is int and the name of this member is x. Now create a function which is also called as methods, and this function will print the value of method member x. Now create a main function. In this main function we will create the object of our class. And why we need to create the object? Because if I want to access the methods or if I want to access the member, I need an object, because without an object I cannot access the member or I cannot call the method. So to do that we will create the object. And how you can create the object? To create the object, first give the name of your class, then the name of the object. I'm giving obj as the name, then use the new keyword, and after new give the constructor name. The constructor name is always similar to the class name. Now we have successfully created the object of demo class. Now I want to assign 5 in the member whose name is x. So how can I do that? And to do that I will use obj which is our object, and I will use dot and then x, and now I can assign 5 here. So I have successfully write 5 in the member x by using my object which is obj. Now I want to call the function whose name is show, and to call the function I need the object. That's why I have used obj and then dot and then the function name. Now we have successfully created the program. Let's try to run it. First of all we need to compile this, and to compile we have to use javac, which is a Java compiler, and then we have to give the name of our file name, not the name of the class. So it's compiled successfully, it's not showing any compilation error. Now to run this we have to give the name of our class which is demo, and it's printing the value of x. So it's running successfully. So that's how you can create class and the object of that class in Java, and that's how you can access the member or you can access the methods. So that's it in this video. If you have liked the video, then hit the like button, and to get updates of my latest video and to get update of this object oriented series, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.